Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways to change lowercase text to uppercase without using formulas in Excel, using Microsoft Excel 365. For this tutorial, we are working with a list of customer names and their locations. The goal is to convert these names into uppercase. Let's get started. In first method, we will use Excel's flash fill feature to quickly replicate our manual uppercase entry for the entire column. Let's try it out. In cell C2 or any empty cell of your choice, type the first customer name in uppercase. In our situation, the first name is Jessica Davis. Press enter on your keyboard to move to the next cell. Now simply press Ctrl+E on your keyboard to trigger flash fill feature. Excel automatically fills the entire column based on your pattern, converting all the names to uppercase instantly. Now let's explore the second method. In second method, we will leverage Microsoft Word's built-in change case feature to transform the text and then bring it back into Excel. This method requires Microsoft Word to be installed on your computer. Here's how it works. First, select and copy the customer names from cell A2 to A13. Now go to Microsoft Word, select Blank Document, paste the copied text by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Make sure to select the text by clicking on it. Now go to Home tab. In Font section, select the Change Case drop-down and choose Uppercase. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+C to copy the text. Head back to Microsoft Excel worksheet. Click on the first cell of the original data. In this case, it's A2. Now head to Home tab. In Clipboard section, select the down arrow under Paste button and select the Match Destination Formatting icon. And there it is. The uppercase text from Word replaces your original lowercase data. Let's head to the final method. In third method, we will use a simple VBA Visual Basic for Application macro to convert the text from lowercase to uppercase directly in the original cells, eliminating the need of a helper cell. Let's see how it's done. First step, before we get started, we need to enable the developer option. To do that, first, head to the tabs at the top, right-click on any tab, and select Customize the Ribbon option. This opens up Excel option dialog box. In Customize Ribbon, on the right-hand side, scroll all the way down and check the Developer option. Click OK. As a result, the Developer option is now visible. Click on the Developer tab, go to the Code section, and select Visual Basic. This opens up VBA Editor. At the top, select Insert and choose Module. Inside the new window, type this code. Let me explain. The very first line initiates the macro named convert to uppercase. The next line declares a variable named current cell that will represent each cell, followed by initiation of a for each loop that will go through every single cell. The first line inside the loop checks to make sure the current cell does not contain a formula. The next line uses the uCase function to convert lowercase to uppercase and puts the result back to the same cell. Endif simply ends the conditional if statement. Next current cell tells the loop to move to the next cell. And finally, endsup ends the entire macro. Now head back to the spreadsheet and select the required cells, in this case from cell A2 to A13. Go back to the VBA editor and press F5 on your keyboard to run the macro. Let's see if it worked. Head back to your worksheet, and there it is. The conversion is completely automated. The macro instantly converts all selected text cells to uppercase all at once without needing a separate column. And that's it. 3 different ways to change lowercase to uppercase in Excel without a formula. Download the workbook link below. Visit Excel Insider for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.